Ayan! September pa lang guys, but they're up to Halloween items already. Pag Japan talaga, lagi back at Daiso. I'm back at Daiso 100 shop store guys, because let's check it out what's their new in first bear month. So here it is. I'm back at the Daiso. Let's check it out. Come on, let's go inside. Ayan, September pa lang guys, but they're up to Halloween items already. Pag Japan talaga, lagi silang advance sa lahat. September pa lang yun. So September, October, November. So 3 months away from Halloween party, but they're already setting up the items that are useful for Halloween parties. Yan, just they're always advanced. Yes, this is the advantage of Japanese store. They're always advanced. Pagdating ng November guys, lahat ng magagandang item na yan, ubos yan. So na lang, matitira na lang dyan yung mga tira-tira na lang na mabibili. Ayan sila. They're first bear month, September pa lang ngayon. So full pa yan. Naka-full pa yan siya. Yung mga naka-display na yan. October, konti na lang yan. Dahan-dahan na lang yung mauubos. And then sa November, wala na. Mauubos na talaga yan. Grabe oh. Ang ganda no. Ang dami ng ayan sa Daiso. Grabe. Tingnan mo yan oh. Ang dami pa niyan siya guys. Ang dami pa niyan siya. This September, first week of September, they have a lot of stuff in Halloween. But I think October, wala na yan siya. Ubos na yan. Let's check out what's good, what's new, what's beautiful. Tingin tayo ng natin pwede nating makuha. Cute din siya oh. Panglagay ng candy. Makabili nga nito. How much is this? Makabili nga yan. Wait, kuha tayo ng ano guys, basket. They also have ano, seeds para sa vegetables. Seeds for vegetables. Ah, wala, summer yan siya for summer. Saan na ba yung basket? Aside sa basket. But ano, unti-unti nang nawawala yung summer. Kaya konti na lang, pero mas maganda pag mag ano din yan, magtanim pag ano na, pag spray ano. Pag ano, spring. Kasi hindi malamig, hindi rin mainit. So yun guys. Parang gusto ko siya. I'm going to get one of this for my candy. Buy natin to. Sigurado ako ubos na to pagdating ng November or October pa lang, siguradong ubos na yan. So let's get one. For sure na tayo, for sure. I'm already old guys, but I'm a younger at at heart. Parang sa ito, no? For dogs, and cute. Fluffy pumpkin pet hat. For for Halloween. Ang cute naman. Pet scar. So, check natin guys what's the other items that they have, and they also have plants. Parang gusto ko siyang bumili. Kaya lang namamatayan kasi ako ng tanim. Hindi magaan yung kamay ko. Sabi nila pag magaan daw yung kamay, madali lang daw hindi daw namamatayan ng tanim. Ewan ko ba guys, laging nawawala, mamatayan ako. Pero gusto ko talaga ng tanim. Ayan. Lagi yan siya. Mag-uumpisa yung mga they start to put plants during August. Starts from August. Hindi ko lang na sa inyo. Until yan siya, until spring. Autumn pala. Bakit ba nagsispring ako? Autumn. Ayun parang gusto ko siya, no? I don't know. Parang gusto ko tong tanim na to. Let's check. We have also small plants. Ano lang siya for 500 pesos. For 500 yen. You already have this beautiful plants. It depends on the size. Because here is 500 and the other ones there's also 300. Like this. This the other one is 300. And the smaller ones is 100 yen. So not all items are 100, but it depends on the price. It depends on the size. Ang cute ng rabbit, so look at the rabbit. The rabbit one. And the owl is so cute. Let's check it out. Artificial flowers they have. Oh, how cute. So I already have the Halloween basket and a candy basket on my basket. So there's the artificial flowers. So this is what's inside. This is what's inside the Daiso 100 shop, guys. Dry flowers for decorations. They also have frames, photo frames, big frames, baskets. Yes, for home decors, pillows. Affordable naman yung pillows nila, guys, for 500 pesos. So this is it. The pillow one. slippers section. Here is ano siya. For tablewares. Mga ano, lagay ng cortina. Ano ba yung patungan ng cortina? Stick. Yan. Or going to here. Para stand. Parang gumama. If you want to make your own trays. Ano, something like this. Ayan. If you want to build your own removable trays, you can buy here one by one. As long as you want. Ano? How long you want, it depends on you. So you can buy as much as you want. Ano siya? For 100 yen each tray. Yan. So if you want longer tall trays, so you can also buy 10 pieces of this, and then you make your own tray. And there's the tail. You can only choose. You can short one, and there's a long one. You can choose whatever you want. Here's the screw area for months. Well, pwede din naman pang babae eh. Madali lang siya. For bicycles and whatsoever. What's this? For the cats. They're so cute. They have ang cute naman. Oh, dog wear. For dogs. And look at the outfit of the dog. It's the dress for a dog. Wow, it's so cute. It's a dog wear. And this one is for cats. Yan. They are so cute. Look at that. Look how cute is that. And there's for the plants. The pottery is here. And they also have soil if you want. Vitamins for plants. Some spray. Ayan siya, some spray. Masyado bang mabilis yung video ko, guys? Yan. Toys for dogs and cats. There's a lot of choices you want. Only for 100 yen. And also, food for cats and dogs are available also here in Daiso. And here's our Tupperwares. They have a lot of Tupperwares, smalls and big sizes of Tupperwares, circles, squares, any shape you want, you can choose. There's a lot. And this is what I love, this section. I love this section. The glasses. You know me now, guys. I love kitchenwares. I love doing some window shopping on the kitchen area. Look at that. I love it. The glasses. Perfect for this coming holiday. Perfect for Christmas. That's for wine glasses. Wine glasses, perfect for your partner. Meron pa silang yung Royal Beverly glass. There's the small ones, and there's also the big ones. Any shape. Meron din silang some shapes, and also mga hot sake or hot sake. There you go. Ang dami nila. This is my favorite section. I have a lot of glasses. It's weird, diba? I'm living alone, but I have a lot of glasses. I don't know where I put some of them I didn't use. I just bought it because it's already it's just affordable, 100 yen. You know something that you want to you want to buy, but gusto mo lang siyang bilhin. Parang masaya ka lang na bilhin. Meron talagang time ako na ganyan. Masaya ka lang na bumili ng ganyan. Sorry, para ano, parang hindi mo siya ginagamit pero gusto mo siyang bilhin. Ayaw, yung parang marami ka ng ganun pero kailangan, gusto mo lang talaga siyang bilhin. May ganun talaga ako. Kasiyahan, yung parang may kanya-kanya tayong kasiyahan, di ba? So, masaya ako na pag nakakabili ako ng like, ganito glass, favorite ko to. That's, ano, one way of making me, ano, smile. So, I think I like this. Brand, this is your favorite, ano, color brand, blue. And I think Pab is also wants to love this olive glasses. Pab, which one do you like, Pab? The blue one or the gray one? What's could be the good color? I think I'm gonna go to this blue one. Oh, I'm going to buy this one, guys. There's also glasses of characters, Mickey Mouse, Donald Ducks. So let's go to this area. The Daiso, the plates, black and white plates. You can choose either you want a black one or the white ones. And if you want porcelain, there's also ano bang tawag dito? Ano bang tawag dito, guys? Wait, check nyo natin. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Para siyang ano, porcelain. Porcelain ba to? Hindi ko alam. Ayan, meron din silang ganyan. May plates and cups. And here's some jars, big jars, small jars also. Big jars cost of 500, big jars cost of 500, and the medium one is 300. And they also have the bigger ones, guys, 700. For ano, for preserving, you can buy a bigger one for preserve. This all glasses are all for preserve. If you want to preserve fruits. Yes. Bowls, cups. And also, guys, one of my hobby also is cups. No, but this time I won't buy any cup. I have a lot of cups, guys. I'm living alone, but I have a lot of soup bowl. Plastic soup bowl, rice balls, teacup. You have the teacup. So dito na tayo. Ayan. Ang daming ano, no? Ang dami talagang pagpipilian. Medyo malaki yung ano. Medyo malaki ang Daiso dito, guys, because ano lang siya. Ay no, ang laki talaga ng area. Ang laki ng area. Ang dami mong mapipili. So, ayan yung mga chopsticks. Colorful chopsticks. If you want some colorful, plain one, black one, white ones. They have also the chopstick na wood, chopstick na plastic, or if you want a steel chopstick, they also have. Ayan. Hindi ako masyadong maano sa ano. And there's the cool one, guys. If you have some kids and you wanted starter for chopsticks, you can buy this one. And they're all very exciting and cute. That will make your kids enjoy the food while learning some chopsticks. They're so cute. This is for kids. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. Nahulog, guys. Shucks. Yan, for starters, for kids. Ayan. You can buy this one easy para madali silang matuto, masanay na mag-chopstick. Ako hindi ako marunong hindi ako magaling mag-chopstick. Basta yung nakukuha ng chopstick, yun na. Yan, there's the area here is all for cooking area. And there's for laundry area. This one, for baking area. Look at that. For baking area. This is so big. Daiso here is for disposable hair. And you will not get lost, guys, because they have also something like this. They also have like that, something like that. English. They also have if you don't know where's the disposable table area, you can just you just look up and then you will know they have ano bang tawag dan? Meron silang nakalagay na mga basta ganun, basta yun na yun. Meron silang nakalagay na mga palatandaan, yun. Para hindi ka hindi ka na mahirapan hanapin, like the daily necessities. Yan, meron silang like something like this, like that. The laundry supplies, yes, the hammers, and also the storage boxes. Cleaning supplies, the dusting office is also big. Ang dami-dami. Ang cute niya, oh. Ano lang siya dyan, gunting yan siya. Gunting ba? Oo nga. Super cute. Ano siya? Hand carry na scissors. Mini scissors with a magnet. Oh, really? So you can put this anywhere. Wait a minute. Can I get one? With a magnet. What do you mean magnet? Stick to object, quickly use adhere firm. Where? Hindi ko alam kung ano siya sa ref. I'm searching also for items for ref. Ayan, scissors. So, punta tayo dito. Kasi mga tables. Meron din silang mga socks. Dito tayo sa area ng mga kit ng mga Meron din silang so cute. Ang cute nila, diba? Ayan, the Hello Kitty. Ang ganda, ang gaganda. At saka, sino ba namang may gusto kay Kurumi? Ang cute ng Kurumi. Neckties. We also have some socks. And one of my favorite section. I will tour you one of my favorite section also. Where is that? I recently bought one of my in my favorite section. So there she is. So that's this. Here's my favorite section. The hair clips and ties. So let's check it out. What's there new? I recently bought some some cute ties and look at that guy. So cute. I recently bought some cute hair ties. I'm not fan of headbands, but let me check. Let's check. Let's try one. How do I look? Oh, looks like it's okay. No, look like I like this one. How do I look, guys? Oh, I want to buy this headband. Brand, this is your favorite color, blue. Oh, I want to buy this one. We will both. I will buy this one. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung kulay niya sa hair. Lahat na lang ng Ayan siya, guys. That's one of my favorite section here in Daiso. The accessories. There's a lot of oh, the star one. I love this also. I like this one also. Oh, so cute. And one of my favorite section too is this one. Here it is. Oh, no, not this one. Where is it? Oh, they changed the area. Oh, they changed the area. Wala na. Ano yun? Oh, there it is. They changed the area. One of my favorite, of course, the nail section. Oh, they changed the area. Oh, this is the only one. Only one left. Konti na lang siya. Let's go. Let's stroll around. Some comb here. Some basin. Ayan. Basin for bathroom. There's also some bags. Plastics bags. Cute plastics bags. Look. A lot of shapes, different shapes. They also have small ones. They carry. Look at that. So beautiful. You just carry this or put this on your. Very handy. Cute plastic. Hindi siya na mababasa ng hindi siya mababasa ng ulan. Diba? They have a different kinds of shapes. You want you can choose the circle or square. There's a lot. Look at that. And there's also have some big bags over here for shoppings. So you don't want plastic. You can buy here big bags. Cell phone accessories. Here's the cell phone accessories. So they also have cell phone accessories here in Daiso. That's a lot. Here, the cell phone area, All of them, guys, are all the cell phone area. And this is the exciting one. Oh, they don't have already. Where's the toys? And there's a lot. And there's also the toys. Toy section. For shorts. For toy sections, guys. Play money. Dog. There's a dog inside. The doctor. Vacuum. There's also a vacuum. Or donuts. Donut shop. Toys. There's a lot of toys. Beautiful toys here. And vegetable cut toys, guys, for only 100 yen. So I saw this a lot in shorts, YouTube shorts. You can actually make some YouTube shorts here. There's a lot of toys you can buy. And there's a balls. Oh, and there's a stuffed toys. Look at that. Look at that. This is so cute. This is so cute. So cute. And there's also a white one. There's also a white one. Look. For how much? Oh, for 10 yen. A little pricey, but it's nice. It's nice. And here is for beach. For beach. If you want to go to beach. Yes, if you want to go to beach. Actually, Bruce, I'm sorry. My pronunciation is really bad. It's not a beach. It's a beach for the beach. You want to go to the beach? Yes, that's the beach. Bisaya kasi, guys. Pasensya na. Yung dila ko masyadong So there's a lot also for the beach items. Ayan siya, baril-barilan. Tubig. And there's also have for sunshade. For sunshade, yan. Water. And this is, look at what, guys. The poop. You can actually design the sand here as a popo. Ang cute. And of course, this is for the birthday section. If you want birthday party, this is a birthday party area. There's the balloons for birthdays, different kind of balloons, and also candles. They also have candles. Yes, they also have candles over here. Look how cute. Candles for birthday. There's also Japanese character for birthday. Candles. And also, yes, balloons and everywhere. They also have Legos, guys. For fun of Lego. Yes, no, this look like. What do you want me to try? I think I want to try. This one is robot, and there's also a rabbit. I think I wanted to try. There's a birds. for cats. And there's also, I think I wanted to build a train. But this is only something like that. There's also a dog. And for what is this? Dice, playing cards. They also have, this is a games area. The reverse, what is this? Folding type. Yeah, and all of that is for kids. Kids area, playtime area. And there's also paper bags for gifts in different shape and different colors and different style. Oh, this is a candy section. For cakes, there's also smaller portion for cakes. Look at that guy. If you want to make something special, something special cake for your, like you wanted to make on your own to present it to your loved ones, you can make here. You can go to Daiso because it's really affordable. Look at that. There's a heart one, and there's star ones and some golds. Yes, you can choose anything you want. That's it. So maybe I only bought letter because every time na punta ako ng Daiso 100 shop, ang dami ko talagang bit-bit. So this time talaga, kung ano lang yung magustuhan ko, hindi tayo kukuha ng marami dahil walang time budget. So ayan, I'm going to the counter na. At ang galing ng counter nila dito guys, kasi self-service na. Halos lahat na ng dito sa Japan is self-service na. Wait a minute. So, ayan siya guys. Self-service na. Wait lang ha. Mag-self-service lang ako ha. Please carry your items as a plastic shopping bag. Select your payment method. Please insert money. Please touch the payment. Thank you. Please do not forget your receipt and change. Thank you for using. So that's all guys, I'm done. That's all. That's Syria. Ang laki niya guys. And ayan siya. Ang laki niya, ang laking area. A really big area. And the other side is Sugiya. Meron din siyang ano bang tawag doon? Another So maganda yung it's good because they have a self-service. Dati kasi pag maraming tao, ilahan yung pila ba sa counter, but this time it's a self-service, so it's the ano bang tawag doon? Ang flow ng tao ay hindi siya crowded. So you can stand, after you choose your after you choose your item, you can scan it on your own, you can pay it on your own at the counter. And that started during pandemic and up until now. So we're going now, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I love you all. Thank you for watching my video. So that's all what we see in Daiso. And Daiso, this bear month starts. So that's it. So I'm going to bye, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. I love you.